The question is, using ruler and compass, construct a triangle ABC. Construct a triangle ABC in which AB is 7 centimeter, angle CAB is 60 degree, and AC is 5 centimeter, and hence construct a circle touching the three sides of this triangle internally. So you are given a triangle ABC in which AB is 7 centimeter, angle CAB is 60 degrees, and AC is 5 centimeter. So first construct this triangle and then you have to draw incircle for this triangle. First draw the line segment AB of 7 centimeter. At point A you have to construct 60 degrees. So construct 60 degrees at point A. And on the ray of 60 degree line, point C lies 5 centimeter away from point A. So you measure 5 centimeter on the scale or on the rounder and mark point C and join that point C with B to complete the triangle. So your ABC is required triangle. Now you have to draw incircle for this. For incircle you need to have angle bisectors. The angle bisectors of the triangle, they intersect at the center of incircle. So you have one 60 degree, you bisect that 60 degree angle and then bisect either angle B or angle C. Bisector of angle A. In the question it is given angle A is 60 degree, so bisector is 30 degree. Otherwise, how to construct bisector of any angle? Just see how to construct the bisector of the angle. You want to construct bisector of angle B. So put your rounder or take the center as point B. Any suitable radius. You draw one arc that cuts both the arms of that angle. Both the arms of angle B, that is side AB and side CB. With the same radius, or for bisector you may increase the radius, not decrease. From one of the arms you draw one arc and from the other arm you intersect the first arc and join that point of intersection with vertex B. So this gives you the center of circle. Let it be point O. Now you have to find the radius of this circle also for the incircle. To find the radius of incircle, you need to drop a perpendicular from the center point to any one side. From a point to a line or line segment. How to drop a perpendicular? Place your rounder at the point from where you want to draw a perpendicular. Take a radius. Suppose you want to drop a perpendicular on AB. You take a radius in such a way that you get 2 points of intersection on AB. You take a radius such that you get 2 points on AB. So if you see, there are 2 points of intersection if I take this radius. With the same radius and these 2 points, you get a pair of intersecting arcs below this. And then join this point of intersection with the point O. From this point O till the side AB, this is your radius. So set your rounder at point O and set the radius equal to that part of the line. Just check it will cross or it will touch the two sides, three sides. So this is your incircle. Here slightly it is going outside side BC, and that is because some errors in this arcs.